Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to do freeze frame on CapCut PC. So you just have to import the video right here, and then let's just say this part you wanted to add freeze frame. So you have to locate that area and you have to tap the video, look for split, okay, tap this one, and then you have to move a little bit and then add a split effect again. So you wanted to add a freeze frame on this part right here. So what you're going to do is to click this, go to the upper part. You will see some effects and features. But what you're going to do here is to look for freeze effect, which is this one. Once you tap this, then you will see that a part of the video is now on freeze feature or effect. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. Okay, so when you run or start playing the video, and in the sport option, you will see this freeze effect right here, and then the video will now continue. And you can also trim the length of the photo right here. So the effect is like a quick part of the video only. So that's it. You can also do this to other part of the video, like just say this one, split, and then go to freeze effect, move a little bit, split again, and then tap this freeze effect. So you can reduce, you can trim the size, the length of the video, the freeze part of the video, and then continue playing. But basically, this is how easy it is to do freeze frame on CapCut. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.